Coronavirus hospitalizations in the U.S. hit an all-time high with almost 62,000 COVID-19 patients nationwide. The U.S. also reported a record 136,000 new infections yesterday, the 8th day in a row with 100,000 cases or more. David Begnaud has more on the efforts to curb the spread.
Across the heartland, demand for testing is surging. COVID-19 cases are climbing, and as of yesterday, 17 states hit new records for hospitalizations. Here in Ohio, admissions and cases are rising so fast that hospitals may have to start postponing non-emergency procedures.
We're within, a couple of weeks of having to make difficult decisions, not just at my hospital. I'm talking every hospital in the state.
To Wisconsin now, they had another record-breaking day of coronavirus hospitalizations and deaths, which prompted the governor, Tony Evers, to issue a brand new stay-at-home advisory.
It's not safe to go out. So please cancel the happy hours, the dinner parties, the sleepovers, the play dates at your home.
To Iowa now, as states in Des Moines are filling up with COVID patients, Iowa's Governor Kim Reynolds has issued an order requiring people to wear masks in most public places. It's a move that the governor has resisted since the beginning of the pandemic, but now her state has one of the highest test positivity rates in the nation.
We've reached a point of serious community spread, and we can no longer pinpoint any one age group or type of activity that's driving it.
There is more good news this morning on the vaccine front. Dr. Anthony Fauci expects that Pfizer's vaccine will receive emergency use authorization by the FDA by the end of this month. The average American should be able to get a vaccine if they want it by the spring.
We're talking probably by April, the end of April, I would think.
The vaccine could be a lifeline for people like Peggy George and Lisa Smith. The sisters from Toledo, Ohio, say they have had to visit their 91-year-old mother, Elizabeth Sminner, through the window of her nursing home for the last 7 months. They say their mother has dementia, and the lack of contact is making it worse.
It was heartbreaking because I didn't even get to say goodbye the final time. Everybody needs somebody in their life. They need our touch. We just want to take care of her.
The sisters were telling us there are 8 of them in the family, and when all 8 go to visit mom, they're on the outside her glass of her room. And there's something about the mom seeing them all together where she gets it. Oh, those are my daughters. She recognizes them. Well, now they say the nursing home has told them you can't do 8, you can only do 2. They don't understand that rule. We don't understand it. So I called the nursing home to figure out why would you not let as many want to go be outside the window. Haven't heard back, but we're going to follow up with them to see if that rule can be changed. David Begnaud, CBS News, Toledo, Ohio.